Welcome to UiPath Robots, a key component of the UiPath Enterprise RPA platform. These digital workers execute the workflows you create in UiPath Studio. There are two types of robots. Attended robots help human workers speed front office tasks. Triggered by user commands or needing human direction, attended robots operate in the background while users work on higher-level tasks. Unattended robots run back-office tasks in a physical or virtual environment and can be scheduled to self-start. UiPath robots offer exclusive features and deliver the industry's best automation results. Centralized configuration lets you remotely configure and reschedule robots, enabling operational scalability across global business units. With floating robots, you can transfer an attended robot from one machine to another, ideal when the user is not assigned a dedicated machine. You can dynamically schedule your robots based on your unique business requirements, scaling your robot workforce up in times of peak demand and down on slow days. With superior computer vision, robots precisely identify on-screen objects in less than 100 milliseconds, delivering the fastest, most accurate automation available. Data can be extracted from desktop applications and web screens with 100% accuracy. And UiPath's Orchestrator centralized licensing, deployment, and monitoring lets you simply manage thousands of robots, enterprise-wide. Finally, robots support a wide variety of automations, including Citrix, Microsoft Office, web, desktop, enterprise app, mainframe, text, data, email, IT, and locked screen GDPR-compliant configurations. As you consider RPA solutions, remember that UiPath robots are unique. These hero robots are innovative, intelligent, and designed for high performance. They offer unmatched computer vision and can flexibly automate any legacy or cloud application. Get your business moving faster with UiPath robots.